Now next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut up about a half of an onion. And I'm going to show you how to cut this stuff quickly and easily, but I'm going to warn you in advance. If you don't want to have to help out in the kitchen for the rest of your life, don't let Mama see you cutting stuff up like this. When she sees you do it, you got to be clumsy, you act like you don't know what you're doing, and in fact, if it really gets bad, you got to show up and when you're done with some band-aids on your fingers. Now remember this too, because women are smart. Always, always, again, always put the band-aid on the fingers that hold the stuff you're cutting. They're not going to fall for it if it's on the knife hand. So, I'm going to start off, we're going to cut this onion in half. Then I'm going to cut the end of it off. We're going to peel back this paper part. Get over here. Now here's the good part. We're going to make a cut here, 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 just along there. And then, just like that. And the layers of the onion actually make the last cut for you. See, that's slicker now. I mean, that's pretty quick and easy, huh?